We at Dolphin Device manufacture capacitive sensor that can be used to detect any object which is denser than air. At Dolphin Device, we don't just manufacture sensor, we engineer the confidence behind every industrial sensing solution. So today this sensor is available in M34, M30, M18 and M12 dia, in PVC body and in metal body. And this sensor sensing range varies from 2 mm to 30 mm based on the diameter. For example, you can see that we provide this sensor in M12 diameter, in flush and in non-flush. We also provide in M18 dia, M30 dia, M30 plastic body and in M34 PVC body, which is a standard housing dia in industrial sensing application. So this sensor detects all types of target which is denser than air. For example, I'm using a glass. When this glass comes in the range of the sensor gives the output. Based on that, you can trigger any actuator or any load that you want to operate. And this sensor is also detecting the metal, which you can see. It can also detect wood, rubber, plastic or any material which is denser than air. It could be liquid also in different application, which you can see the sensor is detecting. You could also see that this sensor is also detecting my finger and it is giving the output. We provide this sensor in M12 dia also, which you could see. So in this case, which is a flush type M12 capacitive sensor, the sensing range you get is only 2 mm. Another sensor we have is the M18 capacitive sensor, and in this case the sensing range you get is around 10 mm. So when the finger comes in the range, the sensor gives the output. Behind the sensor there is also sensing range adjustment which you can use to increase or decrease the sensing range. Another variation of this sensor is in the M30 capacitive sensor. So this sensor has higher sensing range which can go up to 20 mm sensing. Also in the case of M30, we also provide a PVC body of the same diameter, which is M30 capacitive sensor. And the final variation of this sensor is in the M34 capacitive sensor. This sensor is widely used in the industry and the sensing range you get is around 20 mm. You can also get a sensing port adjustment where you can set the sensing range based on your application. Finally, you can see the target indication light which glows when the sensing target comes in the range of the sensor. And you can easily place your order on this given number and we will be happy to support you on all sensing solution.